Ever wondered how you can improve your woodworking skills? Let's dive into the fascinating world of woodworking, a realm where raw material is transformed into work of art. It's not just about talent, but about honing your skills, learning new techniques, and having the right tools and resources at your disposal. Speaking of resources, have you heard about Ted's Woodworking? It's a comprehensive guide dedicated to woodworking enthusiasts, beginners, and veterans alike. It's like having a master craftsman at your side, guiding you through the intricate process, from selecting the perfect piece of wood to making the final finishing touches. With Ted's Woodworking, you're not just reading a guide, you're gaining access to a treasure trove of knowledge and expertise distilled into easy-to-follow instructions and tips. It's about turning your passion into perfection, your hobby into a masterpiece. Imagine the satisfaction of creating your masterpiece with guidance from Ted's Woodworking. What makes Ted's Woodworking stand out in a sea of woodworking guides and tutorials? Let's delve into the unique benefits this resource offers. With Ted's Woodworking, you're not just getting a guide, you're getting a comprehensive woodworking companion. The easy-to-understand plans are one of its standout features. These plans are meticulously crafted with the user in mind, breaking down complex woodworking projects into manageable steps. They are designed to be clear and concise, reducing the chances of errors and do-overs. This means you can spend more time creating and less time scratching your head over confusing diagrams. But it's not just about simplicity. Ted's Woodworking offers a variety of project options to suit all skill levels. Are you a beginner looking for a small project to hone your skills? Or perhaps you're an experienced woodworker ready to tackle a grand masterpiece? Either way, Ted's Woodworking has got you covered. The expansive library of projects ranges from simple picture frames and birdhouses to intricate furniture pieces and outdoor sheds. The possibilities are as vast as your imagination. Moreover, the convenience of having all these resources in one place cannot be overstated. No more trawling through countless websites and books trying to find the perfect project. With Ted's Woodworking, it's all there at your fingertips. This saves you not only time but also effort and potential frustration. You can focus on what you love most, bringing wood to life. An added bonus is the sense of community Ted's Woodworking fosters. You're not just buying a product, you're joining a community of individuals who share your passion for woodworking. This gives you the opportunity to learn from others, share your own experiences, and continually grow as a craftsman. All these benefits culminate in a unique woodworking experience that is as enjoyable as it is rewarding. With Ted's Woodworking, you're not just working with wood, you're crafting memories, building confidence, and creating pieces that could last a lifetime. Ted's Woodworking makes it easy for you to create stunning woodwork projects, no matter your skill level. So, what exactly does Ted's Woodworking offer to its users? Well, let's dive right in and find out. Imagine having a vast library of over 16,000 woodworking plans at your fingertips. That's right, 16,000, from big projects like building a deck or a shed, to smaller ones like crafting a picture frame or a birdhouse. Ted's Woodworking has got you covered. The best part? Each plan comes with step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned carpenter. But that's not all. Ted's Woodworking goes beyond just providing plans. Each project comes with a detailed materials list, so you'll know exactly what you need before you start. No more unnecessary trips to the hardware store or buying more than you need. And let's not forget the cutting lists that take the guesswork out of measurements. Every piece of wood, every nail, every screw is accounted for. It's all about making woodworking as straightforward and enjoyable as possible. Now, let's talk schematics. And we're not talking about those vague, hard-to-decipher diagrams you might have encountered in the past. Ted's Woodworking provides detailed, high-quality schematics that leave nothing to chance. Every angle, every cut, every joint is clearly marked and explained. This means less room for error and more room for creativity and enjoyment. And here's the cherry on top. Ted's Woodworking comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's right, 2 full months to try it out, risk-free. If you're not satisfied for any reason, you can get your money back, no questions asked. This is not just a testament to the quality of the product, but also to Ted's commitment to your satisfaction. So, to sum it up, Ted's Woodworking is not just a collection of plans. It's a comprehensive woodworking companion that provides clear instructions, detailed materials and cutting lists, high-quality schematics, and the peace of mind that comes with a money-back guarantee. With Ted's Woodworking, you're not just buying a product. you're investing in your passion. In a nutshell, why should you choose Ted's Woodworking? Let's take a moment to reflect on everything we've discussed so far, to truly grasp the depth and breadth of what Ted's Woodworking brings to the table. It's more than just a collection of woodworking plans. It's a comprehensive guide, a mentor, and a friend to both the seasoned craftsman and the enthusiastic beginner. Firstly, it's the simplicity that sets Ted's Woodworking apart. Each plan is meticulously laid out with step-by-step instructions, making it nearly impossible to lose your way. The blueprints are detailed, leaving no room for guesswork. It's like having a master craftsman guiding you at every step, ensuring that you craft not just any piece of woodwork but a masterpiece. Then there's the sheer variety. With over 16,000 plans, you'll never run out of projects to undertake. From small, intricate jewelry boxes to large, robust furniture pieces, Ted's Woodworking has got you covered. It's like an ever-expanding universe of woodworking, always offering something new and exciting to challenge and inspire you. Let's not forget the convenience. With instant access to all these resources, you can start your next project immediately, at your own pace and from the comfort of your own workshop. No more waiting for slow mail deliveries or sifting through thousands of pages of complicated manuals. Ted's Woodworking puts everything you need at your fingertips. And of course, there's the assurance of quality. Ted's Woodworking is the product of years of expertise and passion. Each plan has been tried, tested, and proven to work. Countless positive testimonials from the woodworking community are a testament to this. In essence, Ted's Woodworking is about more than just woodwork. It's about fostering a sense of achievement, fueling a passion, and promoting a culture of craftsmanship. It's about helping you create something beautiful, functional, and truly your own. Take your woodworking skills to the next level with Ted's Woodworking, your comprehensive guide to crafting beautiful woodwork. And now let's delve a little deeper. Ted's Woodworking isn't just about providing you with the tools to create something beautiful. It's about building a community of like-minded artisans, a space where you can share your creations, learn from others, and continuously grow as a craftsman. With Ted's Woodworking, you're not just purchasing a product, you're investing in a journey that will take you from being a hobbyist to a master craftsman. Imagine showcasing your beautiful, handcrafted pieces to your friends and family, experiencing the joy and satisfaction of creating something truly unique and personal. Now that's the power of Ted's Woodworking. To learn more about how you can expand your woodworking horizons with Ted's Woodworking, click the link in the description below. Remember, every master was once a beginner. It's time to take the first step on your journey to master craftsmanship. With Ted's Woodworking, every step you take is a step towards creating something truly beautiful. Let Ted's Woodworking guide you on your journey to becoming a master craftsman. It's time to turn your woodworking dreams into reality.